Hey everyone, so I'm gonna do the Hawaii palette, and I decided to do this pretty pink right here. So I do have some news for you. So Wet n Wild announced yesterday, I believe, or the day before, that June is Pride Month. Oh, by the way, I put my pink, the MAC Fresco Rose on my lid. So Wet n Wild announced for Pride Month that they came out with a Pride palette. And I think I'm going to use coconut right there. They came out with a Pride collection, but Wet n Wild has reverted to their old ways. I've said this before. Especially since COVID, they don't want to get stuck with products. You know, they lifted the ban on, they lifted the mask. So, you know, women should be wearing makeup again. People have gotten their shots and whatnot. And, you know, they lifted the mandate. But, you know, I think they just, like I said, don't want to be stuck with product unless they surprise us and put it on their website. But right now, the only place actually you can get it is, I'm going to put pineapple on my inner corner. The only two places you can get it is Walgreens right now is the only place you can get it. And it's supposed to be on Amazon. Amazon put up 4 or 5 things, but the most important thing they didn't put up. It comes with an eyeshadow palette, a set of sponges, eyeliner, liquid liner, pencil liner, mascara, and 2 brushes. So they had 5 of those yesterday on Amazon saying out of stock. I'm going to use that same color for my right here, my brow bone. And the eyeshadow, the most important thing that us women want, is not on Amazon. So they're saying temporarily out of stock, which means they're going to be getting it in, but no eyeshadow. So that's insanity. So I did some calling, because I didn't want to go through what I went through with Physicians Formula. And eventually they put it on their site too, but nobody has it. I have called to the ones that I frequent, or if I go to doctors or visit my brother's home, none of them have it. And I just, right as I started doing my video, called one, and they said yes, they did have it, and it was fully stocked, and they put aside, I just want the sponges, the makeup brushes, and obviously the palette. I would have just ordered it from Amazon, but they don't have the palette, which is absolutely insane. So anyway, so that's, they finally came out with something. Alright, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back, and then once I'm done with the video, I'm going to go quick to that Walgreens. I called so many, I forgot which one I called, and then I checked my phone, and it was one that's not too far from me, so that's good. Alright, I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I just used my NYX, just using up my NYX stuff right now. Ibiza, it's a contour blush palette, and then my Milani Hot Flash, it's the pink one, Star Flash. So that's all I did. My own rainbow highlighter. I just put the pink, my pastel rainbow highlighter here, and that's it. Just put a little bit of that frosty color on the bottom inner corners, and that's it. I also put a little bit of brown underneath to soften the black. Since my eyes are so deep set, I usually can't get away with doing that, but I did it today. Okay, so I think next week, I'm gonna, as long as all is on the up and up and I can get that palette today, I will do the Pride palette from Wet n Wild next week. Okay, love you. Mwah.